Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to David Tago official channel. All of you, please new subscribe, bell icon, like, share, comment, anytime notification. Let us watching for YouTube. Listen.
इस ऐतिहासिक स्थापना के साक्षी हैं। मैं आज के इस कार्यक्रम के सूत्र संचालक गजों काकालोपम अपनी सहोद्घोषिका नीलम तालोकाय के साथ आप सभी दिग्गजों का इस भव्य समारोह में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं।
Esteemed guests, distinguished members, I am your host for today, Minang Talokai, along with my partner, Gajom Karga, and I extend my heartfelt welcome to each and every one of you. We are thrilled by the presence of our chief guest, Sri Pema Kandaji, Honorable Chief Minister of Arunachal Pradesh, along with all those other dignitaries. This morning, we all come together to witness and celebrate the culmination of the dreams of our forefathers, a testament to our shared vision, relentless efforts, and collective strength. So now it's time to dive into our agenda. We begin our program by a welcome address followed by a brief speech by Mr. Tai Kai, Secretary Cultural Affairs, Government of Arunachal Pradesh. Sri Tai Kai, hailing from a tiny village of atTabiRipo as a young boy after passing class 5, went on to study in the then Government Middle School Koyu, crossing this very river on foot, carrying his books and luggages on his back. And it is wonderful to know that our very own Honorable MLA 36 Nari Koyu Assembly Constituency, Sir Kento Rinaji, was the headmaster during that time, guiding and mentoring him and the rest of the students. He is a living testament, one of many of the spirit of the people of this area for education and a better future. Today, an IS officer, Sir Tai Kai, is serving the government of Arunachal Pradesh in various capacities. Sir Tai Kai ji.
कार्यक्रम के आगाज में मैं स्वागत